Why so serious? Let's talk veggies. Hey there, health nuts and veggie haters. Let's be honest, vegetables don't always get the love they deserve. They're often seen as the boring sidekicks to the main course. The eat your greens lecture from mom. We've all been there. But guess what? Veggies are hilarious, don't believe me? Just think about a Brussels sprout trying to be cool. Or a tomato arguing if it's a fruit. See? Comedy gold. We're about to dive into the top 10 healthiest veggies, but with a twist. We're talking nicknames, puns, and maybe even a tear-jerking onion joke. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's time to learn about healthy eating, the fun way. Top 10 hilarious heroes of health. Number 1. Garlic, the vampire repellent. This little bulb packs a punch. Garlic boosts your immune system like a superhero with super breath. Just maybe don't stand too close to anyone after a garlic-heavy meal. Number 2. Onion, the tearjerker. Onions are full of vitamins and minerals. They're also full of surprises, like how they can make you cry faster than a rom-com marathon. Number 3. Parsley, the garnish superstar. Don't let its small size fool you. Parsley is packed with potassium and magnesium. It's like the Beyoncé of the veggie world. Small but mighty. Number 4. Cauliflower and broccoli, the detox duo. These cruciferous cousins are here to clean up your insides. They're like the dynamic duo of detoxification. Number 5. Brussels sprouts, the tiny cabbages of doom, or delight. Okay, these little guys have a bad rap, but they're full of good stuff like sulforaphane, which fights inflammation. Maybe give them another chance? You might be surprised. Number 6. Tomatoes, the fruit vegetable. The debate rages on, fruit or vegetable, who cares? Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and deliciousness. Number 7. Cabbage, the budget-friendly superstar. Cabbage is like the superhero of your wallet. It's cheap, cheerful, and full of vitamin C. Number 8. Bell peppers, the rainbow veggies, red, yellow, orange, green. These colorful characters add a pop to any meal. They're low in carbs and high in fun. Number 9. Avocado, the good fat friend. Avocados are like the cool kid in school. Everyone loves them, and for good reason. They're full of healthy fats and taste amazing. Number 10. Lettuce, the filler-upper. Lettuce gets a bad rap for being boring, but it's the perfect base for any meal. It's like the blank canvas of the veggie world. VeggieTales myths debunked with a chuckle. Myth: eating veggies is boring. False. Have you seen the colors, the shapes? It's like a party in your mouth. Myth: veggies are tasteless. Wrong again. Roasted veggies, grilled veggies, veggies with dip. Come on, people. Myth: I don't like any vegetables. I don't believe you. Have you tried them all? There's a veggie out there for everyone. Honorable mentions, the sidekicks of superfoods. We can't forget about the honorable mentions. These veggies may not have made the top 10, but they're still worthy of a spot on your plate. Mushrooms, the little umbrellas of the forest. Green beans, like tiny edible swords. Zucchini, so versatile, it's practically magic. Radishes, spicy and crunchy like a party in your mouth. Swiss chard, the fancy cousin of spinach. Collard greens, the soul food superstar. So there you have it, the wonderful world of vegetables explored with a little bit of humor and a whole lot of heart. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun, delicious, and maybe even a little bit silly. Don't forget to subscribe for more veggie goodness and healthy tips.